Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Master classes. In today's lesson we are going to learn about duplicate feature in Canva. Duplicate is one of the easiest feature to save time while designing. Instead of creating some elements again and again, you can make an exact copy with just one click. By the end of this lecture, you will know how to duplicate element, pages and entire layout to speed up your workflow. So let's start it. Firstly, open your Canva design. So click on template and Instagram post. Now I will create a blank page. Not a blank note. It will take me a lot of time. To explain, I tried my best to make the lecture short and interesting. Sorry. Okay, let it open. Now, instead of creating a same design element again and again, Canva allow you to duplicate instantly. Now, select the head. This is heading image or text and click the duplicate item. Duplicate. This is duplicate item. Duplicate. A copy of a heading will appear. Move copy to another position if you want, like I will do small and move the text like this. Okay. Select the product image and button together. This is product image, not background image, okay? You can also duplicate multiple selected elements at a time, like firstly we will lock background. Now I will select these three items and I click duplicate. It will duplicate different items at a time, okay? You can also duplicate a group like I have, then firstly select and select these three items, create a group. Now you can duplicate them like this. Okay? Here's also one option that you can also duplicate your page. Let me tell you how. This is duplicate page. Now you can see I have 2 pages. Again duplicate, I have 3 pages. Okay? You can now edit duplicate page image if like you want to do edit. Like change text, change a product image, change background. It will save you a lot of time. Instead of designing every page from scratch, duplicate first page and edit the content. This workflow used by many professional designers. Common mistakes: creating same element again and again, forgetting to edit duplicate text, place duplicate element on top of each other. Always check your duplicated element before exporting your design. Pro tips: use duplicate instead of recreating identical elements. Duplicate page when making presentation or post. Edit duplicate content to avoid repeated information. Keep your duplicate element properly aligned. Key duplicate group section for faster design. Okay. So, today we have learned how to duplicate an element. Okay. How to duplicate multiple objects, how to duplicate groups, how to duplicate pages, like it is showing you on the screen. How duplicate help you to work faster and more efficient. Using duplicate feature is one of the easiest way to speed up your Canva workflow while keeping your design constant. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. I will see you in next lecture. Happy designing. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. Goodbye.